Mastering modals, the passive voice with can. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of English grammar. Today, we'll dive into a very specific topic: the passive voice with the modal verb can. This topic can often be tricky, but understanding it will definitely boost your English skills. First things first, let's remind ourselves what the passive voice is. In English, we use the passive voice to indicate that the subject of the sentence is acted upon by the verb. Essentially, it emphasizes the action and the receiver of that action, not the doer. Here is an example. Active voice: the cat chased the mouse. Passive voice: the mouse was chased by the cat. In the passive voice sentence, the focus is on the mouse and the action, being chased, not the cat. Next, we'll have a look at the modal verb can. Modal verbs are used to express ability, permission, requests, offers, and so on. The modal verb can is primarily used to express capability or ability. For instance, she can swim. Here, can is used to express the girl's ability to swim. Now, let's merge our understanding of passive voice and the modal can. When we combine them, we are typically expressing that something is possible to be done. For example, active voice: the mechanic can fix the car. Passive voice: the car can be fixed by the mechanic. In the passive voice sentence, the emphasis is on the car and the possibility of it being fixed. It's your turn now. Try creating your own sentences in the passive voice using can. Remember, start with a focus on the action and the receiver of that action, then add can be, followed by a past participle verb. Here's the formula: subject plus can be plus past participle plus by agent. Let's see some examples. This problem can be solved. The book can be read in 1 day. The cake can be baked in 30 minutes. Great work, everyone! We hope this video has been helpful and that you now have a clearer understanding of how to use the passive voice with the modal can. Practice this, and you'll certainly see your English skills advancing. Remember, learning a language is a journey, so keep going, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Until next time, happy learning!